Okay, we got our head all done here. Got the eyes are all out. So we want to put our neck pieces in. And so we've cut 3 blocks here, and those are going to get glued in here.
This time of year, that's where we're performing out in the community a lot. We're in Findlay, we're in Fremont,
like I said, we got the head is all, the eyes are all carved out now, so they fit good. Sanded out in here. So like I said, we're going to glue these 3 pieces together for our neck.
An official sports betting partner of the NFL is officially live in Ohio now. Now you can legally bet on all your favorite sports anytime and anywhere right in Ohio with DraftKings. For a limited time, new customers who sign up with the code ROCKWIOT will receive $200 in bonus bets instantly. DraftKings has the best features including same-game parlays, player props, and a whole lot more with fast and easy payouts right at your fingertips. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app now. New customers can use code ROCKWIOT to get $200 in bonus bets instantly.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it.
Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER. 21 and over. Physically present in Ohio. Valid one offer per first-time depositors who have not already redeemed $200 in free bets via pre-launch offer. Minimum $5 deposit and wager. $200 issued in bonus bets. Eligibility restrictions apply. See dkng.co/OH for terms.
For over 75 years, Clearwater Systems' cutting-edge Connecticut technology has been providing safe, clean water for your home. Go to clearwatersystems.com or call 888-WATER-10. Connecticut is non-electric and virtually maintenance-free. Clearwater Systems is an authorized independent Connecticut dealer.
Buy 4 tires and get up to $200 in savings after rebate at Bell Tire's year-end sale. Or get even more.
You just want to spread the glue out on your pieces.
Plus, get tires as low as $49 after rebate. Get up to $200 in savings. Or get even more in gift cards. December 26th through January 7th. Get up to $200 in savings. And choose the lowest tire price, period, at Bell Tire. 100 years of getting folks safely back on the road fast and affordable. See store or belltire.com for details. Restrictions apply.
Cheers to Prilosec OTC. Without Prilosec, I wouldn't be able to enjoy all this yummy holiday food.
I'm going to clamp it down.
Whoever made that apple pie, delicious. I just take 1 pill each morning and 0 heartburn all day. So cheers to Prilosec OTC. Ooh, are those jalapeno poppers?
Prilosec OTC prevents excess acid that can cause heartburn, so you can enjoy the holidays. 1 pill a day, 24 hours, 0 heartburn. It's possible while taking Prilosec OTC. Use as directed for 14 days to treat heartburn, not for immediate relief.
Don't let pain keep you from living the life you love. The Good Feet Store wants to help. We're on Monroe Street, just a couple blocks down from the mall. To learn more, go to goodfeet.com.
Thanks to the Good Feet Store.
You ought to know by now this love of mine is real. Funny words just can't.
So we're going to get this glued, then we'll let it set real good. Then we'll sand it down and we'll glue it in to the neck where it goes.
I would bet we'd be together still. But just in case. Just in case. Well, this morning I swung by my lawyer's place. I didn't think she would mind. Here, honey, sign this dotted line. What's yours?
So now we'll set this aside, let it dry real good, and then we'll sand it down and we'll glue it into the neck piece. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.